So I would like to call Achila up on stage. I would like to call Achila. So Achila and I have a little history. You know, the year we passed out in 1985, Achila entered the campus. And you know, I always made full use of my IIT time. So I did summer courses every year, stayed on campus. It was good fun, right? So I was on campus and Achila came in and she created history because she was the first girl in IIT to be ragged. And by who else but me? So, and that's something. Achila, would you like to say something about that?
You see, I'm still scared, you know. You can see the impact after 40 years. Yeah, so it was very scary when we entered H10. There was a lot of news about ragging. But in H10, it was pretty safe is what we were told until Sandeep, who had a lot of friends in H10, sneaked into H10. I still remember the room number 128 in which we were all called. We were all made to sit on the floor. And then his ragging started. So I say that, you know, a lot of my personality development started when with Tarkus ragging me.
No, actually the problem that I had with her was that she came to campus and she already had a boyfriend. So I said, यार कोई रेस्टोरेंट में जाता है खाने के लिए तो घर से टिफिन लेके जाता है क्या? What is this nonsense? You come to IIT and you come with a boyfriend. What is the fairness in that? So
he was the judge of the Freshies singing competition. And I think I got the first prize that time. And when we came out, he started, you know, line marifying me like then. So I had to finally tell him that, Baba, I have already got a boyfriend. So please stay away.
मैंने ऑफर किया है सर कॉल योर बॉयफ्रेंड विल डू अस फेंसिंग राइट एंड विल डिसाइड द इशू है कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है तो लेके आ जाओ सो एनीवे हियर वी प्रेजेंट द सॉन्ग व्हिच in 1972 when this movie came lot of hormones went crazy and we were all you know just all of us were probably pre-teens and discovering the ways of the world. This is the film Bobby, okay, and this is a song from the film Bobby, Chabi Kho Jaye, that we are going to present.
So some songs made a large impact on our lives when we were in IIT. One of them was Satyam Shivam Sundaram, other was Bobby. So
बाहर से कोई अंदर न आ सके, अंदर से कोई बाहर न जा सके, सोचो कभी ऐसा हो तो क्या हो, सोचो कभी ऐसा हो तो क्या हो, हम तुम एक कमरे में बंद हो और चाबी खो जाए, हम तुम एक कमरे में बंद हो और चाबी खो जाए। पीछे कोई डाकू लुटेरा, आगे हो घनघोर अंधेरा, पीछे कोई डाकू लुटेरा, ऊपर भी जाना हो मुश्किल, नीचे भी आना हो मुश्किल, सोचो कभी ऐसा हो तो क्या हो, सोचो कभी ऐसा हो तो क्या हो, हम तुम कहीं को जा रहे हो और रास्ता भूल जाए, हम तुम कहीं को जा रहे हो और रास्ता भूल जाए।
तेरे भैया के झोले में सैया हमें झूल जाए।
हम तुम एक कमरे में बंद हो और चाबी खो जाए।
बस्ती से दूर पर्वत के पीछे, मस्ती में दूर घने पेड़ों के नीचे, अनदेखी अनजानी सपनों, बस एक दूजी हवा, सोचो कभी ऐसा तो क्या, सोचो कभी ऐसा तो क्या।
हम तुम एक जंगल से गुजरे और शेर आ जाए। हम तुम एक जंगल से गुजरे और शेर आ जाए।
शेर से मैं कहूँ मुझको छोड़ के तुम्हें खा जाए। हम तुम एक कमरे में बंद हो
और कभी खो जाए।
तेरे नैनों की भूल भुलैया में वो भी खो जाए।
हम तुम
हम तुम
एक कमरे में बंद हो और कभी खो जाए, और कभी खो जाए, खो जाए। थैंक यू। बाद में तभी नहीं, पहले नहीं। I think accordion is not properly heard.